Hello guys, welcome to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos as well. So I'm back with another review of a tool called Miho. Miho is an excellent tool if you are a course creator or if you are planning to create some courses in the future. So how Miho helps is that it lets you create your own website, and the website creation process is super simple, and after you create your website, you can host your courses on that website. And Miho just doesn't stop there. It also lets you create courses. So the outlines for courses, different sections for courses, and you can add a lot of different other materials into your courses through Miho. And the best part about Miho is that it lets you grow your community. It even lets you create your communities, so you can market your products or courses way more effectively. And just have a look at their website stats. So with Miho, you can save over 23 hours of the time that you invest in creating courses. You can save over 80% of your money, which is amazing, and there are already over 199 creators that are currently using Miho to promote their courses and host them. A great news is Miho is available on a lifetime deal, which means you can get lifetime access to Miho from Appsumo at only $49. Keep in mind the usual pricing is $348, so you are saving over 86% of your money if you buy the Appsumo deal. If you want to buy the Appsumo deal, make sure you check the link in the description box of this video. Miho is a great alternative to these tools. And from the Appsumo deal of Miho, you will get these features. So you can have unlimited users, you can get the website builder, you will have access to ready-made templates, there are dripped courses, assignments, quizzes, and so many other types of features. And these are the three types of tiers that are currently available on Appsumo. So the tier 1 costs $49 and the workspace limit is 1, and you can create 3 courses in here. The license tier 2 costs $139. You can create 2 workspaces and 18 courses from this tier. There is also tier 3, which costs $269 with 5 workspace and 40 courses. There are some other tiers like 4 tier, which lets you create 10 workspaces and you can create unlimited courses on this tier 4. The price is going to be $399. You can also buy Miho on a subscription plan. So the monthly plan of Rise costs $29 per month, Scale $79, and Expand $99, and these are all the features. There is also an annual plan, and currently there is a 70% off going on the annual plan, which costs $24 for Rise, $66 for Scale, and $83 for Expand. After you log into Miho, you will get a dashboard like this, and on the left side you can see there is the workspace, which is the most important tab. From here you have to create a new workspace, and then you can get your website built and also courses. So let's create a new workspace. You have to name your workspace, so I'm going to give it test 5, and then you have to choose the domain type. So a great feature of Miho is it lets you customize your domain, which is amazing, but for this video purpose I am just going to use the Miho app domain. So you can create the subdomain with a customized name, test 5, and then click on continue to next step. So this is the page where you have to add some brand details such as your site logo, site favicon, and the color of your brand. So I'm going to choose the site logo and then the site favicon, and then click on create workspace. So as you can see, I have created my workspace and the logo is also there, and obviously the custom subdomain is also there. So to customize your website and create courses, you have to click on the workspace that you created. And now we are in the actual dashboard, which is the workspace dashboard of test 5. So from here you can get a overview of your overall performance regarding your courses. So the first thing you want to do is obviously add payment details. If you're hosting paid courses, you have to add payment gateway. First you have to choose the currency, and then you have to add the payment option. So I really like that they have 3 different payment options: Razorpay, Stripe, and obviously the most favorite, which is PayPal. So from here you can add your payment gateway. There are also some integration options such as Zapier, Pabbly, Zoom, and Facebook Pixel, and then you can access all your team members from here, invite them in this section. You can also set up coupons from this section. So once again, let's go back to the dashboard, and then from here you can create your first course. You can create the landing page from this option. You can see all your activity, including the activities of your team members from here. And this is the summary stats of your course. So you can see how many students you have got, the amount of sales and the amount of units sold, which means courses sold. And then there is the stat of recent purchases. So the first thing you want to do is go on top of the dashboard and then click on edit site. It will take you to the website editor. So here is my website. As you can see, this is the headline and then there is some description. I can also upload an image if I want, and then there are some other sections such as name and description, once again image, description, and this is the section where I will have all of my courses. And then there are some other sections such as feature, testimonials. You can also see from the top that there are some menus such as courses, FAQs, contact and login. And the best part about this editor is you can edit everything in here just by clicking on that particular part. For example, I want to edit this headline, so I have to click on it, and then as you can see, I have already gotten the text editor. So for example, I want to make it headline 22. So as you can see, the headline has changed. So in this way you can change everything from here, from this no more button to this image. You can upload your own images, you can change the description, and the best part is you can add a lot of other options to your website by clicking on add strip. So as you can see, you can add your introduction, you can add the about other page, you can show the course list, key values, reviews, brand collaboration, previous work, and so many other options. And I really like how Miho has given you the option to view the website in also the mobile device. So for example, if one of your potential students is using your website on a mobile device, you will get a page like this. So as you can see, these are all the sections that I have shown previously, and I really like how mobile friendly the website is. It lets you acquire more students from even mobile devices. So once you have your website ready, you can simply click on publish to make your website live. And you can obviously preview the website by clicking on here. So this is the preview of mobile version and this is the preview of PC version. So let's go back. So now what I want to do is show you how to create your first course. For that you have to click on this option, create your first course, and then in this section all of your courses will appear. So currently I do not have any courses. Let's create one by clicking on create course. So first I have to give the title of the course. So it is web development, and then you have to add some description. I'm going to write some random words, and then you have to add your course icon. So let's add it, and then the thumbnail for your course. So a great feature of creating course is that you can even add a preview of your course. What is the course all about? You can upload a video directly from this section. You can also add a link to your video if you already have your video hosted on a server. So once all these settings are done, you can click on continue to next step, and then you have to change some settings about pricing and access. So my course is going to be paid. It can also be free. I'm going to set it to paid, and the actual price of course is 500, but I'm going to let this course go at only $100. And then you can set the access for your course. So you can make it open, which will make it available for purchase, but if you make it closed, it is going to be visible but nobody will be able to purchase the course. So if you make it closed, you will have to give a start date. It means when the course is going to be available again. So I'm going to make it open, and then you can add drip, which is the delay between different section in your course. So I'm going to set it 0 and then click on create course. So the course has been created. As you can see, this is the logo of the course, this is the title, and this is the description, and it is a paid course and the access is open, which means it is available to buy. So now I cannot publish the course because there is currently no lesson, no sections in the course. And this is one of the best parts about Miho, that it lets you even create your courses with very detailed manner. Let me show you that. First click on add new section. So this is going to be the first section of your course. So I'm going to name it S1 section 1, and then you can add a description to the course. Then click on create section. So as you can see, this is the first section of my course, and now in this section I can add a lot of things by clicking on this, and these are all the materials that you can add to your course, such as text, video, file, quiz, assignment, and even live lessons. So let's add a text. I'm going to name it test 1 and then add some random words. So if you check this button, it will let the visitors see some previews of the course, which means some text of the course when they are visiting the course. And if you check this box, it is going to make this section mandatory for your students of this course. So let's click on create lesson. So as you can see, this is the first section and this is the first lesson of this course. In this way, you can add as many sections as you want, and then you can add as many lessons such as text, video, file, quiz, and so many other options to your liking. You can also see the insights of your course directly from here. So you can see the amount of students enrolled, how many people have completed your course, and the review you are generating from this course. You can also get a performance of your course from this section, and you can see all of your students from this section. So once your course is ready, you can simply click on publish and the course will be available to public for purchase. You will have some other tabs on this section, such as a community tab. That community tab is going to give you the ability to create community for your students where they can share pictures, interact with each other, and build a strong community. So once students start enrolling your courses, you can see their activities from here. And then there is the setting where you can integrate different tools. You can see your workspace, you can add your payment option, you can also add your team members. And then there is the file manager. And in this section, you will have access to all the files that you have uploaded on Miho. So this was everything about Miho. I think this is an excellent tool for all those course creators. Nowadays, everyone is creating their own courses, and this is actually great because the newcomers have way more opportunities to learn about different topics in a more detailed manner. And if you are one of those course creators, Miho is going to be an amazing tool for you. It has almost everything that a course creator needs. You can create a website through it, you can build your community, and the best part is you can even create courses through Miho, which is amazing. And these are all the features that are available on the Miho Appsumo Lifetime Deal, and these are all the tiers that you can purchase from Appsumo. So if you want to purchase any of these tiers, make sure you check the link in the description box. That will take you to this Appsumo page, and then you can buy from here. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have liked the video. If you do, make sure you subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos. You can also let us know if you have a particular video request. We will try to cover that in the future. Stay tuned for our next video. Goodbye.